It's actually our 25th anniversary this year, so a lot has happened in these 25 years. Our Blue Jackets are kind of our main tenant of the building, but we also have host many NCAA events and other small events. There wasn't necessarily existing problems with the roof. I think where we started to look at longevity of it, it's been 25 years, so that's kind of the time frame is when you want to replace it.
Back in 2018, we were in Orlando at our Grainger show, and one of the representatives from Nationwide was with us, and they went to a breakout that had a video of Ford Field being done and the roof restoration there. And they came out of that meeting and we went right to the Tremco booth.
As far as choosing the best solution for the Nationwide Arena, we started with doing diagnostics and doing a visual exam of the system that was in place. That system was a perfect candidate for the AlphaGuard Bio system, which allows that existing roof to become the substrate for the new liquid applied roofing membrane.
Melcor's primary responsibility was to rejuvenate the existing roof system that was in excess of 25 years old. In lieu of tearing the entire roof off, we went with a different, an AlphaGuard Bio system. Basically 3 gallons a square on the base, 2 gallons a square on the top to provide a 20-year warranty for the owner.
What made us choose kind of going with a restoration roof versus a full replacement was overall the cost savings of it, and then also containing our roof and still having events was a huge key for us, and getting it done in a 3-month process instead of a 2 to 3 year process was something that was very intriguing for us.
Scott Berkey and the Tremco team supported us in every way that we needed. They were here on site every day, monitoring our installation, making sure that we were putting down the correct thicknesses. If we had technical questions, ran into problems with details on the roof, or we had to change anything that was specified, they were right there to help us.
The AlphaGuard Bio system doesn't require much maintenance at all. Tremco's warranty for the system comes with inspections in years 2, 5, 10, and 15 of the 20-year warranty period. So we will return, we will do housekeeping and general maintenance for the arena and try to keep this roof in tip-top shape.
The product is very easy to work with. Tremco has spent a lot of time and research getting this product to where it is today. Other manufacturers really need to step up their game. Their reinforcing fabrics are a lot thicker. It requires a lot more coating, i.e. a lot more labor.
Our roof project was completed ahead of schedule, about a month or so, and it was completed under budget as well, which is great to hear. I would 100% recommend Tremco products to other arenas due to the fact that it is very low maintenance, and the time spent on it is really the key factor that allowed us to keep our event schedule completely normal. To not have a summer shutdown was huge for us, and to keep our building, ready for the next 25 years.